So let's be real for a minute. Most healthy diets are miserable. Complicated meal plans, weird or expensive ingredients, the constant feeling you're giving up everything that you love. And that's kind of been me for on and off for the last few years. Felt like I was doing everything right, eating clean, exercising, cutting back on sugar, yet quickly after starting, the scale would stop budging. I'd be left feeling deflated, puffy, tired, and really frustrated. Then I literally had a rethink, or more like a reframe. Started making a few little food swaps to begin with. Didn't count calories, certainly didn't starve myself either. I just adapted what I was already eating. 7 weeks later, I was 18 pounds down, 2 dress sizes down, several belly belt holes down, energy was up. First time this food swap approach actually felt easy. So in this video, I'm sharing the exact swaps that helped me break through that stubborn mindset and weight scales plateau. No weird ingredients, no expensive foods, just simple everyday foods that actually taste really good. So the turning point for me came one ordinary dinner time. I was about to make what I thought was a healthy dinner using whole wheat pasta when it suddenly hit me. The problem wasn't my willpower, it was the food itself. We've been taught that foods like whole grain pasta or low fat yogurts are healthy, but most of them are ultra processed, packed with fillers, industrial oils, and sugars. And the science backs this up. People who eat mostly ultra processed foods consume more calories and gain more weight, even when the nutrients look the same on paper. And that was my light bulb moment. My enemy wasn't calories, it was complexity. From that day on, I made one rule: no deprivation, just upgrades. If I craved something, I'd focus on finding a cleaner, more natural version that still hit the spot. And that one mindset shift has changed everything. I don't look at this as a diet, I see it as just a smarter way to eat. Rule number one, focus on what I can add, not just what I take away. If I want something crunchy, I just look for finding crunchy alternatives and not punish myself for wanting it. Rule two, protein and healthy fats are my new food best friends. Keep me full, steady my energy, and make meals satisfying instead of meh. Rule three, keeping it real. If the ingredients list looks like a chemistry experiment, it's just not for me. I started cutting out like the seed oils, the hidden sugars, and the fake healthy foods. And really, quite suddenly, I wasn't constantly hungry. And once I got those rules in place, the swaps haven't taken long to start feel like they've just become second nature. Breakfast overhaul. Before, I would eat what I thought were healthy cereals or whole wheat toast and jam. Hungry again 30 to 40 minutes later. Now, it's more likely to be scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, or a boiled egg, handful of nuts when I'm busy. Baked eggs are the way to go. Steady energy, no cravings, and a stopped prowl in the kitchen. Lunch reinvented. So before, it would be a ham sandwich and crisps, and then I would have afternoon crash. Now it's more likely to be something like a green salad with chicken, olives, bell peppers, cheesy topping, way more filling, way more flavour, and zero food coma. Crunchy snack attack. Oh, before, crisps. Always crisps. Generally thought I had a crisp addiction. I'd eat them every single day. Now, you're more likely to see me snacking on keto crackers. Rosemary, Parmesan cheese are my favourites. I get the same crunch, really minimal carbs, and perfect with a little slice of blue cheese, few green olives, yum. Total game changer for me. And way more satiating. Sweet tooth fix. Before, oh gosh, chocolate bars, sweeties, biscuits, cake, again every day or every night. Now you're more likely to find me with a Greek yogurt, chopped nuts, might add some cream into that, or a square of dark chocolate, some peanut butter. Still feels indulgent, just without the sugar crash. Pasta and rice revolution. Before, big bowls of pasta or rice that left me feeling and looking really bloated. Soon after eating, I would be getting digestive discomfort quite often. Now I use zero carb noodles, zero carb pasta, or cauliflower rice. They soak up flavour really well and still give that comfort food vibe without the carb coma. Drink dilemma. Before, fizzy diet drinks, fake sugar bombs in disguise. After, you'll find me with sparkling water most nights. It makes me feel like I'm having a treat, plus keeps me hydrated, refreshed, and helps with this continued refocus on keto and being healthier. Fat upgrade. Before, I would quite often use margarines, vegetable oils. Now it's always real butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, sesame oil. Simple natural fats that actually taste really nice. And the best part is it's sustainable. I don't feel like I'm dieting. I feel like I'm eating better versions of the foods that I already love. Studies show that when people eat minimally processed foods, they naturally eat fewer calories and feel more satisfied. And that's exactly what's happened to me. I'm tracking macros now, and I have to admit I'm eating a lot less than I was. And I definitely don't feel deprived because I'm eating the right food combinations and I naturally feel fuller sooner. Because this isn't about willpower, it's about making better choices as automatic for yourself as possible. When your swaps taste great, you don't feel that you're missing the old stuff. And that's why this worked and why I know it'll work for you too. I've put all these swaps, plus a few extra ones for pizza, bread, even snacks on the go, into a shorts recipe playlist, link above, and links in the description. While we're down there, hit subscribe, turn on the notifications if you want to listen to and watch more videos. Next week, I'm sharing how I put my keto shopping list together without causing food shop stress, and I'm really mindful about the cost as well. So you'll definitely want to catch that. And tell me in the comments what's your go-to food swap that made a difference for you. I love hearing your ideas and your suggestions. So that's it. No crazy plans, no starvation, no guilt, just smart, simple swaps that made all the difference. £18 down, tons more energy, zero deprivation. It really is that simple. Swap out the rubbish, keep the flavour, feel amazing. You got this.